Hello students, please subscribe the channel, drop a like, share and comment. This is exercise number 1 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine May 2022 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. I read yesterday that my friend and old colleague Jayaprakash Narayan has said recently that I should help. I forget his words in establishing or in developing a strong opposition to the Congress. This is a very strange request. I believe completely in any government, what it might be, having stout critics, having an opposition to face. Without criticism, people and governments become complacent. The whole parliamentary system of government is based on such criticism. The free press is also based on criticism. It would be a bad thing for us if the press was not free to criticize, if people were not allowed to speak and criticize government fully and in the open. It would not be parliamentary government. It would not be proper democracy. I welcome criticism in parliament. In fact, we welcome criticism from our own party members. The amount of room we have in our own party for criticism of government's policy is great. But when Jayaprakash ji says that I should build up an opposition, does he want me to build up a bogus thing to oppose the Congress? What value or what virtue will that have? With all respect to Jayaprakash ji, the example is not a good one. There was no democracy in Turkey, real or even unreal. It was a dictatorship. Does he want that kind of thing to happen in India? The point is that the opposition should have the freest opportunity to express its opinion in the press and on the platform and to fight elections. I cannot canvass for the PSP or the Communist Party. They have the freest opportunity to do so. The Election Commission is independent of government. It is open to you, to any of you, to vote as you like. You know that there is no question of pressure or coercion. I do submit that we in India have a greater degree of freedom in elections and in things other than elections than almost any other country in the world. There may be a few countries which have the same freedom as we have, but a far greater number of countries in the world have no such freedom. We have it, and I am proud of it, and I am sure it will continue. I want every type of opposition to go and apply to the people. The people should decide to whom they shall vote for here.